Welcome to the Tardast Multitasking environment. First of all, we'd like to thank you for supporting the Cogworks Labs by participating in this experiment. Tardast is a multitasking environment that will test how well humans perform when allocating their attention. On a typical Tardast trial, you will be presented with 6 tasks to manage, the status of which are indicated as vertical bars. Your goal on each trial is to maximize the total score throughout the trial, thereby maximizing your overall score. This is done through careful interaction with the Tardast environment. This is what the Tardast environment looks like. 6 tasks will be presented as bars. These bars are controlled by their corresponding buttons. Clicking on a button makes a bar rise. Letting go makes it fall. All of your interactions will influence the score at the top. You will have 5 minutes per trial to keep the score as high as possible for as long as possible. Your remaining time will be indicated by this progress bar. Some considerations need to be made when interacting with Tardast. First, notice that the numbers in each button are not always the same. The numbers indicate the value of each task. Tasks with a higher value affect the score more than tasks with a lower value. Other things to consider are the rate at which tasks increase and the rate at which they decrease. These rates aren't always the same. For example, this particular task increases faster than this one. Likewise, this particular task decreases faster than this one. It's up to you to decide which set of actions produce the highest scores in a given trial. Also note that to minimize the amount of time it takes to switch to another task, you can keep the first task pressed, drag the mouse to another task, then let go of the first and activate the second. At the end of every trial, you will be given feedback as to how you performed during that trial. The feedback will tell you your average score on the current trial, as well as your average score overall. There are 10 trials for which data will be gathered. Each trial will last 5 minutes and will end automatically. Please try to remember that your goal is to maximize your score at all times. In Tardast, that means you want the maximal possible score on each trial and over the entire sequence of trials. Once again, in total there will be 10 trials. You will be given a break after 5 trials. Your goal is to maximize the total score by keeping the tasks as high as possible at all times. If you have any questions, please ask the experimenter now. Thank you for participating in Tardast, and good luck.